Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys 3 different ways to lock the screen of your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So first, let me show you the 3 different ways, and then I'm going to show you how to get them done. Alright, so the first one is going to be slide to lock. Okay, so you slide the phone from the side, it just locks up your phone. Fantastic, you double tap, go back inside. Now the other way is simply double tap on the screen and it's going to lock the phone. And then number 3 is a little bit more different. There's actually going to be a little lock button at the bottom in your navigation bar that you can click, and that's going to lock your phone. And of course, we can wake up the phone by double tapping on the screen. Now, I do want to let you know for 2 of these methods, you are going to need a special application that is designed and made by Samsung, known as the Good Lock application. If you already have it, just keep it. I'm going to show you how to set this up. If you don't have the Good Lock application, click the link down below. It's going to take you to my website. You want to scroll down just a little bit. Under download, you want to click on the link. Okay, it's going to take you to the store, and then you want to install the Good Lock application. After you install it, just leave it as it is. We'll come back to it. Okay, so let's start by the most simple method. Double tap to lock the screen. This is going to be a feature that's coming to all Samsung phones that are going to get the One UI 3.0 update. So this one right here is a One UI 3.0 device. So what you have to do is you have to go to the settings for this method. Then you go to your settings, you go into your advanced features right here. And then you go to motions and gestures. And then you can see it right here. It says double tap to turn off the screen on an empty space. That's it. So anywhere on the home screen, if I double tap on an empty space, it just locks up the phone. Very simple. It is going to be a feature that's going to be landing on any Samsung phone that has One UI 3.0. Now, for example, this phone has One UI 2.5, but it's the same exact phone. Now, if I were to go into my advanced features, and if I went into my motions and gestures, it's not here just yet. So you're just going to have to wait for that feature. Now, let's move on and talk about slide to lock. Alright, so let's talk about number 2. How to slide from the side to lock the screen. Okay, this is something I get a lot of questions about. So like I said, for this you are going to need the Good Lock application. So once you have it, you want to launch the application. Okay, now this method is going to work on any UI. One UI 3.0, 2.5, 2.1, whatever for now. So you are good to go. So once you have the Good Lock, you want to go to Family. When you're in the Family section, you want to scroll down and you want to install this module. To install, click the shop icon right here and just click on Install. If you already have it, you're fine. So let's go back to the Good Lock module here. And now you want to click this to launch the application. And basically, here is all you want to do. First, you want to enable it. And then you have a left handle and a right handle. And then you have a bunch of advanced settings. You can ignore the right handle and the advanced settings. Just go for the left handle for now. So if I turn this off, it's going to turn on the right handle. If I turn this on, I can have them both enabled. But I'm just going to be using the left handle for this example. So once I have it, I click on it. It goes inside. And here it says, if I swipe this way, straight to the right, it locks up the screen. I do that by tapping this and choosing screen off for that option. So now when I go home, if I swipe over, it locks the screen. Okay, so you'll also notice we have a couple other things over here. If I do diagonal up, it takes me home. Okay, actually, it launches the home application. Okay, that's how I set it up. You can tap here and choose whatever option that you have. That's up to you, but in this video, the only concentration is screen off by swiping to the left or the right. If you want to do it from the right side, you can enable this, disable that. Just go inside, tap over here, and choose screen off. And now I can do it from this side, as you can see. That's going to be up to you. So that's the slide to lock your screen. And like I said, it works on One UI 3.0, 2.5, 2.1, whatever you got, as long as you have the Good Lock application. So now we're going to move on to the final tactic. there's a little button here. It says, it looks like an off button. You click it, turns off the phone. Okay, now how does this one work? Same, you need the Good Lock application. So let's launch the Good Lock application, all right? And once you are in the Good Lock application, the module you're gonna need is, if I swipe down, you need the Navstar module. Again, if you click on the shopping icon, you can go and install that, and then you can come back to the Good Lock module. Now, I'll let you know, as of right now, let me go back to Good Lock module here. Let's go back to unit. The Navstar is not going to work on One UI 3.0 for now, but with an update in a couple weeks, couple months, it's going to start working no problem. Just want to give you guys a heads up. So I'm going to do the example on the One UI 2.5 phone right here. So once you install the Navstar application, you click on it, okay? And this is what you get. So you can turn this off. So the first time you see, you're going to turn this on, and then you're going to tap on New Configuration, okay? Once you're at the New Configuration, on the top, you're getting a preview of the new navigation bar you are going to create. That's going to show up at the bottom here. So let's just pick this color here, purple, and then you go to Button Layout, and what you want to do is you want to add a button. You click on Add a Button, and then all you do is you choose Screen Off. It's going to be dumped right there. You can take this guy and you can put it anywhere you want. So I can drag and drop it, put it here. I'm just going to keep it on this side, and then what you do is you click Done. That's going to create the thing. You're going to see the preview right here. You can also change the icons if you want. The transparency can go high or low. It's up to you. But once you're done with the whole setup, all you do is click on Save. Once you click on Save, your new configuration is going to show up at the bottom in this list, okay? You can also use this list if you want. You can use any one of these guys. It changes as you can see. But go all the way down, pick the one I just created, okay? And that's it. Now I'm going to go home. I have that button right there. Tap. It just locks the screen. Absolutely fantastic tactics. Okay, so let's do a quick summary. Double tap. Works perfectly fine. It's going to work with any phone that goes to One UI 3.0. The second option, which is Slide to Lock, works on any UI. One UI 3.0, whatever. Okay? And the final thing is right here. Right now, it does not work with One UI 3.0, but it's going to work very soon with the update. So you just click it, turns off the phone. Fantastic 3 methods. Guys, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, have a fantastic day, all right? All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.